Yes, ready. Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, the Estate Duty Amendment Bill 1984, which seeks to exclude the agricultural lands from the levy of estate duty, is a piece of progressive legislation which must be welcomed and supported by each one of us. Stop. India is primarily an agricultural country, and for the advancement of our economy, it is imperative that we provide the maximum facilities and incentives at our disposal to the farmers, to the sons of soil who, in the face of the natural calamities that the country has to face from time to time, strive to produce food for the country. Stop. Para. In these days of spiraling prices, it so happens that often the prices of small holdings, the unremunerative holdings of small and marginal farmers, aggregate in price to over rupees 1.50 lakhs, which is the present limit prescribed for the purpose of the estate duty under the Estate Duty Act. Stop. Sir, very often the death of the last holder works as a double tragedy for the legal heirs of the deceased, because in addition to the death of a very close relative, it so happens that the inheritors of the property which is fragmented by inheritance, they are unable to pay the estate duty. Stop. You will agree with me that to pay the estate duty, they cannot sell the meager holdings which they have, because it is only here that they work day and night for their livelihood and to produce food for the country. Stop. Their agonies are further aggravated by the fact that they have to deal with bureaucrats and avaricious officials for settlement of their estate duty cases, which consumes lot of their time. Stop. Unfortunately, the unhelpful attitude of the lawyers in at least some cases further makes the things miserable for them. Stop. So, in view of these circumstances, the government has rightly done its duty in coming forward with this piece of legislation to exclude agricultural lands from the purview of the estate duty. Stop. Para. The state of Punjab, as we all know, is presently under the President's rule. Stop. As such, a resolution as postulated by Article 252 in bracket 1 of 3, the Constitution of India cannot possibly be passed by the state legislature, and if we go by the words of the amending bill, it would appear that the salutary amendments of this act would not apply to the state of Punjab till we have a legislature of our own, and that legislature further passes a resolution to the effect that these amendments stand adopted by the state of Punjab. Stop.